Clean high-traffic office walls and trash can exteriors quickly and effectively by using a wet microfiber mop for broad areas and a microfiber rag for detailed spot removal. Start by choosing a low-lint, high-absorbency microfiber mop head and dampen it with warm water and a neutral pH cleaner at the manufacturer recommended dilution. Work from top to bottom so dust and soil travel downward and are captured by the mop head instead of redepositing on cleaned areas. For textured or semi-porous paint, apply light, even pressure and move in overlapping shaped passes to avoid streaks while allowing the fibers to reach crevices. For stubborn marks, such as scuffs or adhesive residue, switch to a microfiber rag dampened with the same cleaning solution and use short, firm strokes rather than scrubbing aggressively, which can thin paint. Clean trash can exteriors by first emptying and removing liners. Then wipe lids and all vertical surfaces with the damp mop for speed and follow with the rag for seams, hinges, and handles where grime accumulates. Rinse or change mop heads regularly during the route and wring to a damp, not dripping, state to prevent streaking and slower drying. Common mistakes start with using overly saturated tools which leave drip marks and encourage streaking, so keep the mop damp and change water frequently to maintain cleaning effectiveness. Another frequent issue is ignoring horizontal ledges and top edges of trash cans where dust settles, so include these in every pass and use the rag for corners and crevices. Finally, people often scrub painted surfaces aggressively, which can damage finish, so use gentle pressure and test a small inconspicuous area first. If residue persists, use a diluted solvent recommended for the paint type and follow with a water rinse. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors find work by connecting people through project listings and direct messages. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, product recommendations, and practical cleaning techniques for commercial office maintenance.